Dynamic project management introduces, from automated 5D to 3D communication. Automated 5D is a fully integrated platform that centralizes all the project's information, linking cost and finance to BIM design and planning, made one central management model a reality. Our system of contract and engineering management not only integrates all construction information, but uses different communication methods to communicate the data to the relevant party. Very rich reporting through multi-channels is accomplished using the multi-tools of the platform and the various software systems it integrates. These channels include 3D reporting, advanced business intelligence, 5D internal system reports, BIM reports and Primavera planning reports. In this demo we will show a 3D reporting example. The automated 5D system includes any construction information that can cover any topic. Thus, the communication spans contracts, procurement, planning, budget and actuals, submittals, HR, labor management, change management, etc. In this demo, we will show specific contracts reporting. Under any topic, various forms of information can be transmitted. So, for contracts, information can include bills of quantities and their specs, international divisions, costs and prices, supplier information, project earned value indexes, mapping to initial contracts, payments and aging, etc. In this demo, we shall include mapping data and their Unicode divisions as per British standards. The project at hand included more than 19 different contracts for the structural phase alone. Each contract had at least one partial subcontract, and up to 3 partials per contract. In addition, each partial included many bill of quantity lines varying between 50 up to more than 300 BOQs per partial. The structuring of the contracts and their BOQs will be shown next. In this demo, we will start by choosing the relevant project, then we choose one of its contracts called substations out of the 19 contracts that involve the structural phase. As you can see, this specific contract includes 3 partial contracts as there are 3 different substations called A, B and C. You can browse through the multiple BOQ lines of any partial contract and check the mapping information for the desired BIM type to the initial contract item. This mapping is crucial in aligning IFC BIM contracts to the initial forecasted items in the initial design concept contract. We can choose to go to another contract as we desire, so here, we check another contract which is called Zone 3. We can also browse the mapping of the BOQ lines here as well, and you can browse any element type data and its BIM identity, Unicode, divisions, specs, volume, etc. So, the automated 5D database not only centralized all the contracts information but aligned it from the initial concept design to the BIM detail design. Before moving next, it is important to mention that the structural part of the project included more than 25,000 construction elements. So, we will show how we report the specific mapping and Unicode contract information for each and every single element in the interactive 3D viewer. Let us open the Navisworks viewer. In this file, we have included all the design BIM data for the project by appending multiple BIM files with their right GIS position. Once we go to the selection tree, we can select any BIM file separately and see its elements. In this case, each BIM files represented a contract or a partial contract. You can also select an element and see its BIM design properties. Here, we can select the road pergola and check its properties. Please note that only the design information are shown under their specific tabs, and no contract tab or information is included yet for this item. Interactively, we can move and walk through any point in the 3D design and choose any other item. Let us do that for the substations that we have seen before, and choose any element like a certain column. Here also, no contract tab or information is shown. Now, let us open the data tools to report 5D contract data to our 3D comprehensive model. A specific API called Rockwise 5D Ref was prepared to transmit the mapping contract and Unicodes that were required. With one click and, in less than few seconds, All the specified contract information is appended to every single element of the 25,000 elements in the project. Going back to the road pergola, we can see directly a new tab called Rockwise 5D that includes the bill mapping for the element, its BOQ in units and its Unicode. We can see that the same was aligned with substation column, also to any other item we pick like the metallic umbrellas in another contract. Thus, any project information and various other reports can also be sent from the automated 5D platform to the 3D graphical model, depending on requirements. So, communicating accurate and comprehensive construction information is a very powerful control tool for even the most complicated project. Finally, it is important to note that you can use the reporting tools of the 3D viewer to sort and filter the integrated 5D contract information. Here, we can select any map contract item code, and the viewer shows directly the concerned elements that are mapped to this code in their different locations. Hiding or unhiding and other conditional viewing and filtration becomes a very easy and fast procedure. Real 5D data transforms virtual design modeling to real site and contract situation. In conclusion, the communication of 5D automated system is comprehensive. First, it comes in different forms. The videos, 3D visuals, renderings, traditional reports and advanced business intelligence makes automated 5D a versatile communication platform. Second, it is multi-level. This communication spans both the micro and macro level to satisfy all needs from CEO, general managers and seniors, to junior engineers, reaching even the laborers on site. Third, it is also multifunctional. In fact, the communication channels cover the whole spectrum as it caters to owners, financial controllers, designers, contractors and subcontractors, engineers, estimators, accountants, HR managers, planners, etc. Fourth, the centralization, integration and mobile accessibility of the platform makes concurrent collaboration and communication between multi-stakeholders possible. After all, managing construction is about communication and collaboration. Thank you, and you can email us on info@dynapm.com.